Welcome to CineTech, where we break down the tech that matters. Today, we're diving into the DJI Mavic 4 Pro Fly More combo with DJI RC2. This flagship drone packs a powerful triple camera system, including a 100MP Hasselblad main sensor, designed for professional creators. Check the link in the description for the best price. This drone is engineered for demanding tasks, excelling in specific professional scenarios. For professional videography, this drone is top tier. Aerial photographers will appreciate its versatile tri-camera system. The drone's O4+ video transmission offers an incredibly stable and long-range connection. However, for those new to drones, this model can be overwhelming. The Mavic 4 Pro's advanced hardware truly shines, enabling demanding creative projects, though at scale and, given its premium price, we need to assess if the DJI Mavic 4 Pro. This drone is packed with industry-leading technology, from its tri-camera system to advanced flight features. DJI has established itself as the undisputed leader in the drone market, known for cutting-edge technology and reliable performance, instilling. While few direct rivals match this drone's exact spec sheet, some competing options might offer similar utility for specific tasks. As a premium, flagship product, the Mavic 4 Pro is unlikely to see significant discounts. The feature set here is undeniably elite, justifying its premium price tag only if you're A. Despite its prowess, it's important to understand the potential risks and common complaints for. DJI maintains a strong reputation for excellent build quality, using premium materials and rigorous testing. Its advanced omnidirectional obstacle sensing and stable flight characteristics greatly enhance operational safety, minimizing common drone-related incidents during complex maneuvers. DJI support is generally robust for major issues, but individual experiences can vary. A notable concern is the DJI Fly app, which is not on Google Play. While the drone features strong safety systems, potential buyers should carefully consider app compatibility and ensure. Ultimately, the DJI Mavic 4 Pro Fly More combo is an exceptional tool for a specific audience. If you're a professional creator, aerial photographer, or require the absolute best camera system and flight capabilities DJI offers, this drone is a worthy investment.